I'm going to explain you how we access the item from tuple, how to delete the item and how to update the item. So now first, how to access the item. For accessing the item from tuple, we have to use a index value. Initially I create a tuple assigning some item here. So the first item is string, second item is an integer value and third item is some float value. And now I'm going to simply print the item which are accessed through a index position. So here I'm going to put a, which is a variable same as this, and now I'm going to use a square bracket as we used in list. So here I put a index position. So I want to access the item which have a index position 1. Here I run this module. So here we get the result 123 because this integer have a index position of 1. So this is all about to accessing the item from tuple. So the second is how we delete the item from tuple. So here I am again creating a tuple assigning some item here. So the first item is a string, second item is an integer value. Here we have two items, and now I'm going to delete the item which have a index position 0. Now I'm going to simply print the updated value a. So here we get the result. Here we get the traceback error because in tuple we can't delete the individual item, which means that we can't delete the single item from the tuple. So this is a big disadvantage as I compared with the list. So here I'm going to delete the whole tuple. So here we see again a traceback error because we don't have tuple anymore here, because the tuple is deleted in the second line. After that we don't have any tuple anymore, so we can see the traceback error again. So here this is all about deleting the item from tuple. So the next is how to update the item. So as I say that we can't update the item because tuple objects are immutable. Immutable means we can't change the item, we can't change the object which are existing inside the existing tuple. So this is all about accessing, deleting and updating the tuple.